Next is another company which is in the house of pain right now, and that is Argent. Mostly a steel merchant, but Treve Henry, the CEO, has been building this one up over many years with various bits and pieces of businesses related to each other. For example, the brands you'll maybe familiar with would be Phoenix Steel, which is the steel distribution business, but they own things like Jetmaster, the little heaters that you put in, Expander, you know, the security doors, Excalibur, the running boards on the side of your enormous bucky, and even brands like Cedar Paint. But it's been in restructuring mode. Its share price doesn't look pretty, and they've been offloading properties and shutting down businesses. Generally, of course, had a very tough time with NUMSA, particularly militant and driving everybody mad in that particular sector. Price earnings ratio 16, dividend yield 3.64. I'm interested to see it still pays dividends. Anything to recommend them?
A very tough situation. I think they were in the midst of a turnaround process, and then the strike hit them, and sort of the projections and indications they gave, they obviously couldn't meet given the very tough trading environment. As you said, I think the strike hit them particularly hard in that steel sector. And so it's been a turnaround process. It's fairly asset rich, so it looks like it's at a big discount to NAV.
And the management has indicated they're going to do some share buybacks in this scenario, which is a ballsy move, you'd have to say.
Yeah, so they clearly see the potential. I think if they can strip out the costs, get the business more efficient, dispose of some excess assets, you know, it might be a medium-term play.
So let's look share price. You can see there sagging. So what is this, a potential turnaround story?
It is, yeah. I think what I'd like to see is maybe, you know, that's starting to come through in some of the numbers. You might not get the initial bounce, but I think you'll have more certainty as to the way forward.
So you're saying it could be, but in general one should be cautious of calling the bottom in situations like this.
Yeah.
So for the moment, not hot.